Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, you guys are going to want to watch this video all the way through. I'm going to show you guys how to follow up. I get that question all the time. Maurice, what do you say on a follow-up? What do you do when you follow up with prospects once you make those cold calls? So I want you guys to watch this video all the way through. I'm going to make some calls and show you guys how to get it done.
Hello, this is Brandon.
Hey, Brandon, how's it going?
Going good. How can I help you, sir?
All right. Yeah, Brandon, this is Maurice. I'm just following back up with you. We had talked a while ago about generating you a couple hardwood floor jobs a week, and I had sent you the information.
I don't know if I received it. Maybe I did. You want to try to?
Yeah, it's been a while, Brandon, since I talked to you. The last time I talked to you was kind of busy, so I just wanted to kind of reconnect with you so I can show you what we're doing with this social media and see if we can, get kicked off, because, people are getting ready to get this tax money. So they're definitely going to want to spend money on hardwood floors.
Yeah. So you guys got leads, or what do you got?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we generate you the leads on social media. And basically,
media?
What was that?
What form of social media?
Basically, we target, people in your area as far as specials that you may be running with hardwood floors, and they basically, just like similar to list, they'll pick up the phone and call you for an estimate, and you can go out and do the job.
Oh, yeah.
What are you guys doing right now?
Well, I just got my General B's license, so I can't really just do flooring. I got to take on 2 or more trades at a time.
Like
the
what?
That I have.
What type of stuff can you do?
We do it all, from the ground up. But legally,
as far as
like with this license, I just have to, like, I can take on like a full remodel, and then if there's flooring involved, of course, I can do it. But I got to do legally, I got to do 2 trades, either whatever it is, painting or framing, and then the rest of it I got to sub out.
Oh, okay. Well, that's even more lucrative. Are we talking bathroom, kitchen remodel type of jobs?
Yep.
Oh man, we really need to get together, because me and you both know the money's green in that.
Yeah.
What about cabinets and stuff like that?
I don't do too much cabinet work. No, I mean, I sub that out. But I mean, I'll take on the job. If the project includes it. I'm not saying no. I just got to subcontract it out.
Mm-hmm. And this is what I'm gonna do, Brandon, because I know you're busy. I'm gonna resend you over some information so you can kind of take a look at it, and then we can kind of take it from there. But what is your top 5? I mean, as far as what you want, if you were to set something up and say, hey, Maurice, you know what? If I do this social media, if we could do this, then we can possibly talk and do some business. What would that be?
It's everything, man. I mean, there's concrete, framing, drywall, painting. You name it. I mean, there's not really a limit.
Wow. Okay, but you couldn't do just drywall. You have to do drywall and painting. Is that what you're saying with the Class Bs?
Yeah.
Got you. Yeah. Okay. Got you. Okay. Are you doing anything right now to kind of promote your business, or what are you doing now?
I think the wife got something on Google, and then just word of mouth and all that stuff.
Oh, no. Yeah, we definitely need to get together. I would love to get you guys busy. Okay, let me do this, Brandon. I still got your email address, Brandon Gmail?
That's me.
Okay, I'm going to resubmit some stuff over to you. Take a look at it. Today's Wednesday, and then maybe we can get back on the phone Friday, and I'll go ahead and put something together, and I know I can definitely get your phone ringing immediately. You just kind of tell me what areas. And then we can possibly, the thing with social media that kind of works really good is that we can kind of, get people interested in whatever it is we're going to target, whether it's drywall, whether it's interior, exterior sprays, or whatever we're going to go after. It's just a matter of getting them, interested in what you're doing. And once we do that, the phone will ring. So I'll submit you some information over. And what's the best time to call you on Friday?
Anytime before 5.
Okay, 5 o'clock. Do you got any projects lined up right now?
Yeah. I'm actually driving to go look at one right now in Oakland and just checking everything out.
Got you. But I'm placed out of Northern California.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, where are you at?
I'm in Central California, like San Luis Obispo area, like a little bit north of Santa Barbara.
Got you. What are you targeting? I mean, are you doing pretty much all of the Bay Area, Oakland? What are you?
Right now we got a job in Berkeley. I'm going to check out that one to see how it's going, and then I got a job to look at tomorrow in Oakland. So yeah, the Bay Area has always got something cracking. So
I know.
Can't
What,
limit myself.
Brandon? What made you transfer to the Class Bs instead of doing the hardwoods?
Just more options. More money.
All right, that settles that real quick.
Yeah,
I got you on that one, Brandon. Yeah, because the last time we talked, you was doing hardwoods.
No, I still do it. I'm going out to Vegas. We've been working out there too, so we do flooring out there. And I prefer doing it. I mean, if there's something that I'm going to do, I'd rather do the flooring, but.
Got you. But now it has to be two. You got to have two services with it, though.
Minimum, yeah.
Minimum. Got you. Okay. All right. Well, I definitely can make that happen, man, and we can come up with something, and I can definitely increase your bottom line every month. I know that's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah, man. So, hey, I'll send you over some information, and then I'll touch bases with you on Friday, and we can kind of take it from there.
Sounds good, Maurice. Appreciate it, man. I'll talk to you Friday.
Okay. Thank you, Brandon. Have a good one. Bye for now.
Later.
Booyah! Woo! Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you follow up. Now, that was pretty interesting because I had talked to this guy a long time ago, and at the time he was doing another service, but he didn't step this game up. Now, this is something that I always tell you guys about service industries, like the general contracting, whether it's hardwood floors, arborists, generals that do bathroom, kitchen remodel, landscaping, outdoor patios and stuff like that. Those that are the equivalent of your professional services if you were to target dentists, chiropractors, or what have you. Now, this is very lucrative. He has a Class B, meaning he could pretty much do just about anything, okay? So we're talking the equivalent of getting him, $10,000, $20,000 contracts, okay? When you start to get into that arena, then of course you can charge anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 a month, okay? He said that his wife is doing marketing on his behalf, okay? Now, I know that I'm a social media marketing and digital marketer, meaning I can crush it on Google, MSN, or on social media, okay? So I know I can pull in phenomenal results on either one of those platforms, just depending upon what he wants, okay? And he mentioned like 5 things that he wants to go after. So I'm gonna, and this is something too I'm glad we're doing, okay? You notice that I set up a follow-up, because here's something that you guys are getting frustrated with, okay? When you initially make a cold call, like if this was an initial fresh person I never spoke to, because this is a follow-up video, I'm just showing you guys how to make follow-up calls. When you make follow-up calls, a lot of times, ladies and gentlemen, people may have not looked at your information, okay? I send a 30-minute presentation. If you guys are interested in seeing that, you can click the link in the description and sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, and you guys can design a presentation like that and model it, okay? Or if you were sending a simple PDF, you guys can put together the basics of information just to enlighten somebody to set an appointment up with them, okay? And now on the follow-up, all right, when I contact him back and he watches this presentation, it's just a matter of finding out what he wants, how many he can handle, what areas, all right, the type of lead I'm going to generate, and then I'm going to say, this is what I charge, okay? And then I'll email him over the agreement form, all right, with the credit card authorization. He signs up, I can begin his marketing. That's pretty much it. So you go from cold call to follow-up to close. Cold call, follow up, close. That's how you should be doing it. Now, here's the thing. A lot of times, okay, when I send people, like in this case, and it's been a while too since I follow up, I just got a database. I just want to have fun, give you guys some value, and show you how you should be following up with people. But a lot of times, okay, even if you're setting an in-person meeting, A lot of times people are busy. They forget to look at the information. All right. You need to call them back and reschedule the appointment. So what happens if Friday I call Brandon back and Brandon say, hey, Maurice, I didn't have time to watch your video. Okay. One or two things I'm going to do. I'm going to say, okay, what I'll do is I'll give you another 24 hours to take a look at it on Saturday. Okay. And then we can take it from there. Now, if I call him Saturday and he doesn't watch it, then I'm just going to give him a shimmy of details of what I can do, how social media marketing works. And then I'm going to ask him those 4 questions, the type of lead, what area, or what have you, that he wants and that he wants me to go after for him. And then I'm going to give him a price. I'm not going to keep chasing him around, all right? Because the whole gist of this is to get a decision. That's all you're trying to do. Now, another neat thing I like about doing these type of calls like this follow-up, and you can hear he said, all right, Maurice, he knows my name. That's why I like to, sometimes I like when they don't look at the video, because it's like you're starting to build that relationship. And remember, if people don't know, like, and trust you, they're not going to buy from you, okay? Keep that in mind. So that's why it's so important to make the cold call. If they don't look at your information, don't get mad at them and say, man, this stuff don't work. You need to be looking at my stuff. Don't do that. Relax. Say, hey, John, I understand, things happen. Sympathize with them. I'll give you another day to look at it. Or if they might say, I didn't get the email, tell them, hey, I'll resend it over to you. And let's revisit this again in a couple days and we can take it from there. Okay. That's all you got to do. All right. Now, here's the thing. Don't get frustrated. All right. When you guys are making cold calls, okay, you go from cold to warm to trying to get that close. You got to do this enough time in order to see results, okay? You can't do this 3 times and be like, oh, Maurice, you know what? This doesn't work. No. It does work. You're just not doing it enough. You guys got to do this enough, all right? If you follow up with 10 people in a month, ladies and gentlemen, or 20 people in a month, you're going to eventually close somebody, whether it's 1 or 2. And there goes your first new client. But it's a matter of massaging the numbers correctly, smiling, having fun, all right? You're about to change somebody's life when you sign them up for digital marketing services, meaning anything, whether it's MSN, Google, social media, Instagram, YouTube ads, it does not matter, all right? The moral of the story is I can make this gentleman millions of dollars, okay, if we partner together, all right? If he decides to stick, let's say $2,000, I would probably charge him minimum of about $2,500 a month, all right, to get things going for him, all right? That's including ad spend, all right? That's what I would probably do for him because it's very lucrative. And then after I get him a couple results, then I might shoot to 5 because he's able to make so much money. That's the thing about, and that's why I tell you guys to go after certain niches. These are lucrative. Like hardwood floors, if he was just doing hardwood floors, I could get him 3 jobs a week, all right? He could be putting about 20 G's in his pocket, all right? And those type of deals, I might charge $3,000 to $4,000. These are the type of clients that you can get, all right? But you got to follow up. You got to make the calls. You got to keep going. And then you got to get good at the game. The more calls you make, the better you're going to get. The more follow-ups that you do, the better you're going to get at follow-ups, all right? It's all about processes. You get the process down, you make money. You get the process of cold calling, you get the process of follow-up, and then you get the process of closing. Okay, it may take 1,000 cold calls, it may take 500 follow-ups, and it might take you 500 closes to get good at all those processes. Once all those processes come together and you master them, money, 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 money. But here's the flip side of it, is that most people quit before they get good. They can't tolerate themselves sucking or not at that level yet. You just got to keep going. Don't focus on where you are. Focus on where you're going to be. And where you're going to be is in the land flowing with milk and honey. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, comment below. Let me know what your takeaways were. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe. Smash the thumbs up. Let me know you like this video. There will be more follow-up videos coming. I just want to keep giving you guys the goods so you guys know how to go from cold calling, and you guys know how to follow up, and then you guys know what questions you need to ask in the close, and how much you need to be charging on these clients. And I'm starting to base my pricing based on the value I'm going to bring to a client. If I'm able to bring $10,000 to $20,000 of value potential to a client, I'm going to charge anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000. Now, if you're new, you might stick with $1,000, all right, until you get your game up and you get your beak wet and you get the experience that you need, okay? But this stuff works, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys are struggling, you need help, what I want you to do is click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. Has everything you need to build a successful SMMA agency, okay? Plain and simple, all right? If you have the course, you've been struggling, you don't have the course, and you've been doing this around and you still don't have clients, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for coaching, okay? And I'll be able to basically coach you guys one-on-one and help you get to, maybe $5,000 to $10,000 a month, depending on what your goals are, okay? You don't have to struggle, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. My name is Maurice. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget, pick up the phone and make some dials. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.